Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video I am going to testing Samsung Galaxy A15 camera test after 6 months. I am already making Galaxy A15 unboxing and short review, and full review are coming this week, so make sure subscribe and press the bell icon. So at first talk about the camera setup. The smartphone comes with triple camera setup on the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro shooter, and the front is come with 13 megapixel selfie camera. So first up talk about the video quality. You can take highest 1080 30 fps video, and of course you don't get EIS or OIS because this is a entry level budget phone. So at the price point the smartphone video quality is average quality, not bad, and you also record 120 fps slow-mo video, and as you can see that the video quality is average quality. By default you can take 12 megapixel camera, but you can change one click to 50 megapixel camera. So let's now talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take pretty much good photo with a good lighting condition. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is average quality, not too bad. In a 50 megapixel mode you can take a decent picture with lot of details. Overall the price point the camera quality is very good. Now let's talk about the 5 megapixel ultra wide. 5 megapixel ultra wide is not as good as the 50 megapixel main camera. The color are fancy and sharpness are not too good. Of course you are missing some details in a ultra wide, and 2 megapixel macro shooter is not useful, is totally unuseful. Now talk about the low light and night photography. In the night you can take decent picture. If you have a good lighting condition you definitely get good picture, and try to click night mode with the night picture, you can get better result. So as you can see that the overall the camera quality is average quality, not too good and not too bad. At the price point I am definitely like this camera quality. That pretty much for today's video. If you like this video please like and share and subscribe for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.